Latest updates on Self Manager. Login with Microsoft and page with all dates with data. A new login option through Microsoft was added. Now there are 4 ways you can sign in: Google, Microsoft, Apple, and X Twitter. Let me show you. So here are the 4 options, and now Microsoft appears the second option after Google. And point number 2, a new page was created to view all your dates that have data in them. On desktop it is in the left sidebar underneath the date switcher. On mobile it is on the top part, also underneath the date switcher. So let's see a demo. Here's the new button, dates with data. You click it and all the dates appear in chronological order. So you can see I have a lot of data. I've been using this app myself. And when you click over a date, you are asked to confirm if you want to go to that date. And these are my tests back in 2016. And that's all for now.